gonna be brutal. I hope it's just as bad. It smells like diarrhea, dude.
Don't puke on the
Like
olive tree.
diarrhea, baby diarrhea. Smell it. Oh! Oh my god! That's worse than the other one!
Smell it.
Smells like really poopy baby. It's like they took a diaper and they dumped it in a can.
That's exactly what it smells like.
Hey,
That's such a cover.
Yeah.
come here. Are you ready? Steven, are you ready? I'm gonna let you do the countdown on this one. You're sealing your own fate.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, God.
Oh, wait.
He's still in his glasses. Damn it, Chris.
Oh, Chris. Tofu saves it. He's all sweaty. He's still tripped. Facial expression.
He got it down. Wow, he got it down. Wow.
A little bit avocado.
Oh.
Surprisingly, that wasn't as bad as the one that we tried during the Batman one. The Batman one was actually way worse. It smells much stronger than it tastes. It's just the hint of that baby. It just had a hint of the baby crap.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking I'm chewing out a diaper.
If they eliminated the taste and made it like a different flavor, I like the texture.
Yeah.
The texture was pretty. It was like your standard tofu. It was really good. But it
Nutty.
tasted a bit too nutty for me. A little too brown.
Why would somebody eat this?
Yeah.
It's stupid.
It gets a big FU, of course. There's no reason to do this. Period.
If you're gonna make something that tastes like, you might as well just eat. Not waste your time making something that tastes like. You
True.
might as well just take a shit.
As far as we know, that could be just so much though.
Real talk, Chris.
Yeah. All right, we're moving on to